Guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this. When you have a Tach that does this right here, see that? We're sitting here at fast idle because it ain't warmed up yet, but I gotta get away from the dock here. You put it under a low, see that? That means there's a loose connection in there, see that? Look at that. I'm going to show you how to fix that in a minute. I got to get out here away from the traffic, and I'm going to show you how to fix it away from the dock. And it's warmed up now. It helps a little bit, but see, it means there's a loose. I'll show you in a minute. Mile an hour. Look at it. Look at that. If you go into your dash where your cutout is for your gauges, you will see your back of your tachometer. You will see there's a little tiny button right there that says 4, 6, or 8. I don't know if I can get a better view for you or not. Well, what's happened is you've hit a hard wave or a bump or even trailering it, and you hit a pothole and you've jarred that little thing right there. And if you turn that from 4, 6, or 8, whatever cylinder boat you got, turn it up. If it's a 6-cylinder, turn it up to 8 and then back to 6. If it's a 4, turn it up to 8 and back to 4. If it's an 8-cylinder, turn it to 4 back to 8, and it will fix your problem. It's as simple as that. You don't need to replace the Tach. You just hit a button, hard wave or something, and you knock that out of adjustment, out of alignment, just like knocking your front end out of alignment. You can just turn that and you'll be good to go again. Hey, it's fixed. I don't think it's going to show up. I mean, if you wear polarized sunglasses, you can really see into the water, but there's Asian carp right here. I mean, I'm surrounded. Maybe if I put the drone up, you can see them better. There.